Someone bring me a beer.
Yeah.
You abuse an animal, you go to jail. Simple as that.
It's as simple as that. You abuse an animal.
You abuse an animal, you go to jail. You go to jail. Fucking prison boy. Alright, so I've changed the first plug. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the wire. I'm gonna get the wire. What in the fuck? Eat shit.
That's what it is. I make it look.
Miles every day. And now, what you're gonna want to do is kick her over, like so. Yeah, get it out of gear, and you're gonna want to kick it over. Wow, fucking fired right in. We're gonna go out, cruise the hood, see if we can get some violators of the block charter that we put together about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, nobody knows about.
Can't just take them all off.
No, because you gotta put like the fucking old ones back in the same clips, you know?
Alright, let's go in and take a break.
Fucking sweating.
Here at Walden's World, we take shit seriously. Like riding pit bikes in the backyard. We take that shit seriously.
That's right. And you know what? When I'm out there fucking, ooh, serious. Come on! Hell, you dick! Yo, boy, put that shit in second gear, boy.
Break your leg?
No, maybe. Yep.
Yeah, it looks like your fucking leg was like twisted around.
Did you kick the tree?
Someone bring me a beer.
Yeah. The hospital?
Yeah. Mercy. Fucking stat.
Me? Guess let's go. Where do you think it's wounded at?
Listen, here's my foot.
Yeah.
Fucking, like, way bad. At the very best, this is like the worst sprain of all time.
Yeah.
But
Can't move your ankle?
I can move it.
Nothing fucking...
Guys, do you have any kind of ice packs? Anything ice?
So I got home and the, what is it, Three Musketeers apparently been motocross racing. How'd it go, boys?
That was pretty good.
Yep.
Got a great track built. We're making some good times.
Talladega Nights, how'd you do?
Life is pain.
Yep.
You gotta scrape the joy out of it.
Did you win by foot? When y'all are racing 450s and 900cc bikes, y'all need to be careful because those things are fucking powerful. Hey, what was y'all riding? What was y'all on? 450?
Yeah.
Huh?
50s.
You're on a damn 50, man?
Stock 50s.
Anytime you want to come over and have fun at Corey's house, you come on over, buddy.
I'll be back for second round 2.
Hey, we'll put you on the 60 next time.
I'll be back for round 2.
All right. Be safe. Did you wear a helmet at least?
No.
No? That wouldn't have fucking mattered. You couldn't have got that on your foot. Hey! Motherfucker, you was bobbing when you should have been weaving. Bob and weave, bitch. Bob and weave.